Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're showcasing 15 amazing snow machines that are built to handle some of the toughest winter conditions on Earth. From giant airport snowblowers to powerful mountain grooming machines, these incredible vehicles help keep transportation and winter operations running smoothly when snowstorms strike. If you enjoy videos like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We truly appreciate your support. Thanks for all the great comments on our previous videos, and let us know in the comments where you're watching from. Prenof Lightwolf perfect ski slopes don't happen by accident. Behind many of the world's best winter resorts is a machine like the Prenof Lightwolf. Built to master challenging mountain terrain, this powerful snow groomer transforms rough, uneven snow into smooth, perfectly prepared surfaces. Using its massive front blade and advanced rear tiller, the Lightwolf breaks apart icy patches, redistributes snow, and creates ideal conditions for skiing and snowboarding. Its powerful engine delivers the strength needed to climb steep slopes while maintaining precise control. Operators work from a modern cabin, equipped with advanced controls and excellent visibility, allowing them to shape terrain with remarkable accuracy. Whether it's preparing race courses, maintaining trails, or grooming resort slopes overnight, the Lightwolf plays a crucial role in creating safe and enjoyable winter experiences. It's more than a snow machine, it's a key part of what makes mountain resorts operate at the highest level. RPM Tech MPC 750 when winter storms hit hard and snow starts piling up fast. Machines like the RPM Tech MPC 750 become essential. Built for airports, highways, and large transportation corridors, this powerful self-propelled snowblower is designed to move massive amounts of snow quickly and efficiently. Instead of making multiple passes like smaller equipment, the MPC 750 cuts through deep accumulations and throws snow far away from critical surfaces in a single operation. Its compact design gives it impressive maneuverability, allowing operators to work effectively in both wide-open areas and tighter spaces. One of its biggest advantages is versatility, with various attachments available to handle changing winter conditions. Built for reliability and non-stop performance, the MPC 750 works through freezing temperatures and severe storms without slowing down. It's one of those machines most people never notice, yet it plays a crucial role in keeping transportation systems running when winter weather becomes a serious challenge. Laru D97 when snow piles become too large for ordinary equipment, the Laru D97 takes over. Built for airports, municipalities, and large industrial operations, this massive snowblower is designed to move incredible amounts of snow in a short period of time. Equipped with a powerful engine and a high-capacity blower system, it can clear enormous snowbanks that would overwhelm smaller machines. Instead of making repeated passes, the D97 quickly chews through deep accumulations and throws snow far away from the work area. Its rugged steel construction allows it to perform reliably in harsh winter environments and during long operating hours. Operators depend on its power and durability when major snowstorms threaten transportation networks. The Laru D97 is more than just a snowblower. It's a heavy-duty winter machine built to keep critical infrastructure functioning when winter conditions become extreme. Laru D35. The Laru D35 may be smaller than some of the giants on this list, but don't let its size fool you. This loader-mounted snowblower is built to deliver serious snow removal performance in areas where maneuverability is critical. Designed for city streets, parking lots, industrial facilities, and mountain roads, it transforms standard loaders into powerful winter machines. Its high-speed impeller system pulls in large volumes of snow and throws them far away from the work area, reducing cleanup time and improving efficiency. Built with durability in mind, the D35 is capable of handling demanding winter operations day after day. Operators value its versatility, reliability, and ability to work in spaces where larger equipment cannot. Compact yet incredibly capable, the Laru D35 is a perfect example of how smart engineering can deliver powerful results in a smaller package. Overasen TV-1000. The Overasen TV-1000 is a true powerhouse of airport snow removal. Designed for major international airports, this self-propelled snowblower is built to handle huge volumes of snow during the most severe winter storms. Unlike standard plows that simply push snow aside, the TV-1000 consumes snow continuously and launches it far away from runways and taxiways. Its elevated operator cab provides outstanding visibility, allowing crews to work safely and accurately even in heavy snowfall. Powered by a massive dual-engine setup, this machine delivers incredible clearing performance while maintaining high operating speeds. Its wide working path allows airport crews to clear large areas quickly, minimizing disruptions to flight schedules. When blizzards threaten to shut down air travel, the TV-1000 becomes one of the most valuable machines on the airfield, helping airports remain safe, efficient, and fully operational. AB Schmidt Biohawk railways are among the most important transportation networks in the world, and keeping them open during winter is no easy task. That's where the AB Schmidt Biohawk comes in. Built specifically for railway snow removal, this specialized machine is designed to clear tracks buried beneath deep snow and ice. Equipped with massive rotary blowers and heavy-duty plows, it can cut through thick snow drifts and throw snow far away from the rail corridor in a single pass. These machines are often deployed in mountainous regions, where winter conditions can be especially harsh. Constructed with industrial-grade materials and engineered for continuous operation, the Biohawk is built to handle some of the toughest environments on Earth. Although most travelers never see it at work, this powerful machine helps keep passenger trains and freight services moving safely and efficiently throughout the winter season. Prenof Lightwolf perfect ski slopes don't happen by accident. Behind many of the world's best winter resorts is a machine like the Prenof Lightwolf. Built to master challenging mountain terrain, this powerful snow groomer transforms rough, uneven snow into smooth, perfectly prepared surfaces. Using its massive front blade and advanced rear tiller, the Lightwolf breaks apart icy patches, redistributes snow, and creates ideal conditions for skiing and snowboarding. Its powerful engine delivers the strength needed to climb steep slopes while maintaining precise control. Operators work from a modern cabin, equipped with advanced controls and excellent visibility, allowing them to shape terrain with remarkable accuracy. Whether it's preparing race courses, maintaining trails, or grooming resort slopes overnight, the Lightwolf plays a crucial role in creating safe and enjoyable winter experiences. It's more than a snow machine, it's a key part of what makes mountain resorts operate at the highest level. Schmidt FSHP. Some of the most impressive snow clearing equipment isn't a standalone vehicle at all. The Schmidt FSHP is a powerful snow cutter blower attachment that can transform ordinary tractors, loaders, and utility vehicles into serious winter workhorses. Designed for professional snow removal operations, it tackles dense snowbanks that traditional plows often leave behind. Its advanced dual-stage system cuts into compacted snow, feeds it into the blower, and launches it far away from the work zone. This helps keep roads, airport surfaces, and industrial sites clear for longer periods. Built with heavy-duty materials and engineered for demanding environments, the FSHP delivers reliable performance throughout long winter shifts. Its versatility allows crews to adapt existing equipment for specialized snow removal tasks without investing in an entirely new machine. Powerful, durable, and efficient, the Schmidt FSHP proves that the right attachment can make a huge difference during harsh winter conditions. Piston Bully 800. In the world of snow grooming, few machines command attention quite like the Piston Bully 800. Designed for large ski resorts and challenging mountain environments, this giant machine is built to move and manage huge amounts of snow with exceptional precision. Its advanced tracked undercarriage provides outstanding grip on steep and icy slopes, allowing it to operate where many vehicles simply cannot. Equipped with a massive front blade and intelligent snow management technology, the Piston Bully 800 shapes terrain, redistributes snow, and helps create smooth, safe surfaces for winter sports enthusiasts. Operators rely on sophisticated onboard systems to monitor terrain conditions and maintain ideal snow depth throughout the resort. Whether working overnight to prepare slopes or managing snow after a major storm, this machine plays a critical role in resort operations. The Piston Bully 800 is a perfect example of how advanced engineering helps transform rugged winter landscapes into world-class recreational destinations. Overasen RS600 airports around the world depend on powerful snow removal equipment to stay operational during winter storms, and the Overasen RS600 is one of the best examples. This high-speed runway sweeper combines plowing, sweeping, and blowing into a single highly efficient system. As it moves across the runway, powerful brushes remove snow, while an integrated blower clears away the remaining buildup. The result is a clean, dry surface that helps aircraft operate safely even during severe weather. Built on a heavy-duty chassis, the RS600 is engineered for non-stop winter duty and can clear large areas in a remarkably short amount of time. Advanced control systems help operators maintain precision and consistency throughout every shift. While passengers rarely see it in action, the RS600 works tirelessly behind the scenes, helping airports avoid delays and keeping flights moving when snowstorms threaten to bring operations to a standstill. Prenof Bison, built for demanding mountain environments. The Prenof Bison is a snow grooming machine that combines raw power with impressive precision. Designed primarily for ski resorts and large-scale snow operations, it helps transform rough winter terrain into smooth, safe, and enjoyable surfaces. Its advanced tracked undercarriage provides exceptional stability and traction on steep slopes, where wheeled vehicles would struggle. Equipped with powerful snow management tools, the Bison can push, shape, and redistribute large amounts of snow with remarkable efficiency. Operators use advanced control systems to monitor terrain conditions and maintain consistent snow quality throughout the resort. Whether preparing ski runs before sunrise or repairing slopes after heavy snowfall, the Bison delivers reliable performance in all kinds of weather. Strong, dependable, and highly capable, the Prenof Bison plays a major role in creating the world-class winter experiences that visitors expect at top ski destinations. Boss Snowplow SR Scout. Big machines aren't always the best solution for every snow removal job. That's exactly why the Boss SR Scout was created. This compact stand-on snow clearing machine is designed for sidewalks, pathways, entrances, and other tight spaces where larger equipment simply can't operate. Despite its small size, it delivers impressive performance thanks to its hydraulic blade, four-wheel drive system, and zero-turn capability. Operators can easily maneuver around obstacles while maintaining excellent control on icy and slippery surfaces. The comfortable standing platform and ergonomic controls help reduce fatigue during long shifts. Property managers, contractors, and maintenance crews appreciate its ability to clear snow quickly and efficiently in confined areas. The SR Scout proves that sometimes the smallest machines can make the biggest difference when winter weather creates challenging working conditions.